Hey mamas, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lorraine Kamesha, and today I'm going to show you the laziest way to make $1,000 a month selling ebooks online. You're not going to believe how easy this is going to be. So look, mama, we got to be able to make money from anywhere. I have twins and a 4-month-old newborn, okay? I do not have the time to be leaving the house trying to figure out how I'm going to keep these bills paid or how I'm going to be able to afford the luxuries that me and my children enjoy from day to day. So this is going to be something that you want to pay close attention to because it can make or break your budget. It's so simple, so easy to grab content and then promote it on your social media channels. You can literally be selling ebooks while you sleep, because keep in mind, those videos that you make on TikTok and Reels are always going to be playing somewhere, somehow. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So what you're going to want to do is pull up your web browser and go to idplr.com. This is where you're going to find all the content, up to literally 40,000 pieces of content plus bonuses that you'll be able to download and use and sell on your social media channels. The registration is actually free. So I'm going to walk you through the site and show you how this works. All right. So on this site, there's ebooks, videos, graphics, articles, templates, and you get access to all of them for a fee of $79, and it's for a lifetime. Okay. That investment is unbeatable. I've literally made up to $10,000 on one single ebook, selling them on viral TikTok and Reels videos. To register, go ahead and go to the top right-hand corner, click register for free. And once you're registered, you're going to be able to download and have access to all of the premium content like videos, ebooks, which you can also resell on your own. Once you download your free content, it is super easy to just create TikTok videos and Reels so that you can get people in front of those ebooks and make sales. Here's my TikTok, and I'm going to show you I have tons of content, tons of videos. And again, these videos are actually running while I'm asleep or while I'm vacation or while I'm taking care of my kids, who I also homeschool, by the way. Let me click on a video here. So here's one where I'm selling
one of the best things you can do as a mother with one child or multiple children.
It's just super easy to create content and have people click on your links. Once you get up to 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can have links in your profile where you can add these ebooks and sell each one to your audience. Let's take a look at some of the content that you can find in idplr.com. I'm just going to log into my account real quick and take a look at some of the content that you can get. So here is the search bar here. So let's say I want to have an ebook on self-love. Okay, I'm going to type that in to the search bar, and then I'm going to let the website find content for me. So here's some videos. Embrace your weirdness video upgrade. You can download these videos and use them or sell them as a part of a course. How to be a successful social media influencer, work from home productivity. You can literally scroll through here over thousands and thousands of pieces of content and look and find the one that best fits what you're trying to sell and what message you're trying to give to your audience, and download those and maybe send them to a VA or go on Fiverr and create new covers, maybe create a little landing page and easily sell this to your audience. Let's look at another one. Let's see, maybe those of you who have a credit repair business. Tons and tons of personal finance and credit repair content is here. Super, super easy. Let's click on one and see what's inside there. You can preview all of the information. And let's look inside this credit repair book. You can either download the whole thing or you can click preview and see exactly what you'll be downloading. Okay, so here there's articles that are already pre-written. You can use these as emails or blog posts on your credit repair site. Here's the actual ebook where it gives you credit repair facts. You can update the covers or have your VA or a Fiverr contractor design this and make it look real nice or brand it for you. This one is really cool because it comes with keywords. So you could also put this on your website and use this keyword file to drive traffic from Google with paid ads. So this is something that I do all the time. It's very easy, especially if you have a little bit of help. You can use Fiverr or Upwork, or even if you have your own VAs, you can train them on how to create covers, take these and upload them to your websites, and boom, now the only thing you have to do is go and create a Reels or a TikTok video, and you can drive traffic to these particular ebooks 24/7, 365 days a year. Here's an actual example of one of the templates that I've created. I actually sell these and you can buy these and sell them to your audience as well. If that's something that you're interested in, click the link in the description. Once you have a finished product, you've downloaded your files and you've decided that you're going to create an ebook and have it designed, then you can log on to Gumroad, which is a site that can host all of your digital products and start creating a product. This is going to be a PLR product that I'm going to sell. Again, that means private label rights. And this one is 52 self-care ideas for postpartum moms. Now this can be used to sell on your site, or you can use it as a lead magnet to grow your email and your text list so that you can sell products that are related to this ebook. For instance, this one would be really good for maybe a doula service. So the sky is literally the limit here. There's all sorts of things that you can do with this content to make money from home and to sell more of your products and services.